Okay, this episode is about cleaning laundry out in the wilderness. There are portable electric washing machines. Obviously, you got to hook them up to electricity, have a setup there. But what I use is a thing called Wonder Wash. Okay, and right now I'm doing a vest in there, and this is probably about a 5-gallon container, and very simple. Naturally I just used dish detergent because I ran out of laundry detergent. Then you're just going to be filling it up about, I don't know, halfway. And then you got your lid, which is real simple. You turn it down like that. Okay, everything's sealed now. And then I just sit down and turn it. You could just go back and forth like this, or you could go, turn it over this way, go this way. I'll just sit down, put it on a platform if you want to. I'm just doing it on the ground right now. Okay, very simple, almost no effort involved here. It's very well balanced. And then it's got a drain spigot on the bottom, and it comes with this gizmo that connects to the spigot on the bottom, okay, down there. Okay, and then this way you could have it on a countertop right next to, say, your kitchen sink, and then just open up the valve inside and drain it out that way. Or all I do is I just take the lid off, pick it up, and dump it. You can hook up that spigot right there, so you can drain it into your kitchen sink or whatever. It's a great device, and it works great. It says the Laundry Alternative Incorporated, www.laundry-alternative.com. It's called Wonder Wash. And this is the way you could be out in the boondocks and cleaning your clothes if you have to, and no electricity, nothing. Very simple, works great. I love it. There are times where I can't get to a laundromat. I'm so far out in the middle of nowhere where I need something cleaned right away, and this thing works great. And it has suction cups on the bottom, so it will stay in place if you put it on a real flat surface. Anyway, I thought you'd like to see another alternative, and then obviously you just hang your stuff up on a clothesline. Let everything dry by air in the sun. So right now it's a 25-mile, 30-mile drive round trip for me to go to a laundromat, because I'm pretty far out. I'm out in the desert here in Southern California. So anyway, I thought you'd like to see that. Works great. You don't have to spend much time with it. Like 5 minutes, and everything's going to be pretty clean. And then I do another cycle. I put in I dump the soapy water out, put the item back in, whatever you're cleaning, and fill it up like halfway again, half full, and spin it a few more times to get all the detergent out of the clothes. So anyway, that's it. This is Eagle Eric signing off.